Hey guys, the Sevenator here today, and today we're going to be doing another video for my YouTube channel. that intro sounded so horrible. So basically today, I'm doing something a little bit different, and it's in the tech category of videos. So basically what it involves is, I'm sure you guys, if you guys have a computer, I'm sure you guys know about these icons like the recycle bin, my computer, the control panel. They are default and they're specific type, and they're specific to your OS that you're using. Windows 10 has specific icons to it. Windows Vista 7 and 8 you have the kind of the same icons for the recycle bin, my computer, and control panel, and then XP has its own set also. So for me, I don't really like Windows 10, and to me it's really ugly, like very ugly, especially the icons, and they're just so annoying and they look terrible. They look like they're from like Windows 2000 or something, and they're like modern, and it's really stupid. So as you can see here, these are icons from Windows XP, and I don't even know what to say. So basically, I found a little trick that I was messing around with my Windows OS files and ISOs that I have for installing Windows systems and things like that. And I was messing around, and I really wanted to change the icons up because they were really annoying. And so I went online and looked, and I figured out a way to... Actually, I found out where the icons are stored for the Windows operating system, and I actually tried that in Windows 10 for Windows 7 icons, and it worked. And so I thought, maybe I can use Windows XP icons. So I went and found where the Windows XP icons are stored. It was in a different file, and I tried it, and it didn't work. And it just switched it back to the old, and it didn't really do anything. So, because it was a different name. And when I switched it over to the name that the newer OSs use, newer than XP, Vista the latest, it worked. So, and this is how I got these. But, enough talking. Let's go. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to change these icons. So basically, I'm going to go into my Vault and my Windows OS files, and as you can see, and even here, it changes it here, and for the network, and you can change a very good amount of icons. And this is just one little thing to make it more personal, and if you feel like you want some older type icons and you don't like the new stuff. So basically, if I wanted to do... it already has Windows 8 usually kind of uses the Windows 7 type icons, and you can see I'm using OBS. But Windows 10, I'm going to go ahead and go into it. So pretty much any Windows file will work, but you have to have 7-zip to be able to open it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up 7-zip File Manager. So as you can see, it opens this up and it shows all my Windows operating system ISO files. So I'm going to go ahead and do Windows 10 for now, just as a demonstration, and changing for window icons for changing the icons for Windows 10 icons all the way older to Vista, all have the same named file, and you don't have to do any modifying to it to get them to work because they're the same, and Vista to 10 and interchangeable pretty much. But XP, which I will show you later, is a little bit different, and how you do the icons, and you have to rename the file to be able to get it work. So let's go ahead and get into it and do this. So as you can see here, I'm going to just use the latest Windows 10 just for reference. So 64-bit, click on this, and you can download these ISO files from like Microsoft and stuff like that, Windows 7, 8, and 10. The Vista and XP, you're going to have to get creative and try and find some of those ISOs. So that's how you get those. Or you could just install a Windows operating system, or if you have an old XP or whatever, you can just go into this specific, there's a plane overhead, go away plane. But as I was saying, you can go into the operating system, system files and find them there. It's pretty much the same thing. So for XP, I've got my little file thing here on my laptop, and for XP, you have your ISO Windows XP file, whatever version and whatever it is. You go into the I think you go into why am I doing that? I'm looking at XP. This is Windows 10. So for Windows Vista 7, 8, and 10, you have your ISO file. You go to Sources, and you go and find install.wim. You go and find install.wim right here. You click on it, and it will open it for you. And yes, you kind of need to use 7-zip, so you can go easily down that online for free and to be able to do this and open them, because otherwise you would not be able to. So yeah, you go and find one. After you go into install.wim, you click on one, and then you go into Windows. You go into System32 next, System32, and then you go and find, let me go scroll down. You go and find imagers.dll. It's like a 50 megabyte file or whatever, 40, I don't really know about that, and that's where all the icons are stored for the Windows OS from Vista to Windows 10. So you find imagers.dll, there it is. You copy it. You copy that, and you do it to whatever location you want. I would say the desktop. So there's that. You copy that to the desktop, and here it is. Here's this file. This is where the icons are stored. So, and this is the Windows 10 files. So as you can see, it's actually a 22 meg file. It really depends. So you have this file. Next, this is where it gets a little tricky. Windows 10, it's different. Windows 7 and 8 and Vista, I think, are about the same thing. And then XP, if you're trying to import from newer operating systems, I've not actually tried that at all, but there's probably a way to do it. But basically, you go to Control Panel, and you go into personalization right here, and you choose change desktop icons. As you can see here, this is what they look like. I've messed around with mine, so it's different. And so this is the My Computer. So you can click on which ones you want on your desktop, and you can change the icons. So I'm going to change mine to Windows 10, just for example. So you actually go and find your file that you want after it loads. So you go desktop, imagers, and you go and find the one that you want. Where is it? It's this PC. Where is it? There it is. So for this PC, there's that. And then for network, same thing. I think that's network, but I don't know for sure. And then recycle bin for full. Where is the recycle bin? There's recycle bin full, and then same for the recycle bin empty. And that should work. So let me minimize. Ooh, wow, that's weird. That's interesting. Okay, why did it do that? As you can see, it kind of messed up. I think I forgot to. So let's go ahead and do it again. Change icon. You want to go to the one that I think you have to keep going to the back of the one that you used. So that's that. Network. Go back to the one on the desktop. And that. Recycle bin. Desktop. Boom. Desktop. Boom. I think that, wow, that is weird. Okay. Interesting. Oh, wait a second. That's for the control panel. Yeah, that's control panel. You want this. There you go. There you go. I think you actually have to go and click on them individually. For some reason. As I said before, it's different for different OSs. I've not actually tried Windows 10 on 8.1 yet, so it's a little bit different. So there's that. Apply. Okay. And there you go. Now I have the Windows 10 icons in Windows 8.1. And if you want me to show you, here you go. And there's that. It's Windows 8. So that's basically that. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this file since I'm not going to use it again. So basically that's that for Windows 10. But say you want to do something older than Windows Vista, like Windows XP, very popular. A lot of people would like to use those icons on their computer. That's newer. So basically for that, it's a little bit different, but very similar still. So you have your XP, ISO, or this is specific for ISO, but I'll tell you it's same after a certain point. So actually, yeah, I don't know. Actually, this is just for an ISO. Okay, so you click on your ISO file and you go into AMD 64, and then you find shell.32, wherever that is. Shell.32 DL, and then you click on that, and it will open up and give you shell32.dll. So what you do is you copy that over to the place that you want to have it so you can change your icons. I'm going to just use my desktop as an example. So there's that. You copy it over. I'm done with that. So here's this. It changed again. So here's this. Because I deleted it. That's why. Delete. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Okay, so with this file, it's pretty much the same, and you can use it, but it won't exactly work for the most part. So what you have to do is you can use it, but it's not going to work really. And this is for my computer, so where is it? Where is that file? Where is the icon? Here it is. So see here, it changes, but it's not going to change to the one from XP. For some reason, it doesn't want to work. I don't know why. But what you have to do is you have to rename it to imagers.dll, which is the same name for Vista's icon store through Windows 10. So now you try it again. Change icon. I know. You find it. wherever it is, and here we go. Oh, okay. Imagers.dll, and you find your icon you want for whatever icon shortcut. Interesting. Okay, that's weird. So there we go. There we go. I just didn't click on it, and it automatically selected it, so that's why. So that's for that. Let's change the control panel, and where is control panel? So here's control panel. Yeah, it doesn't give you the name of it. You'll have to figure it out which ones are which from XP. But there's that. Control panel's changed. For the recycle bin, though, that's a little bit different, as you have to go to the control panel and go and do that personalization and change desktop icons again. So recycle bin, change icon. So full, you want this one. For empty, you want this one. Network, you want this. And then this PC, you want, where is it? It's somewhere. It's right here. So apply that. Okay. There you go. It's done. So there's your icons. So pretty much that's what this video is about. And it's actually fairly simple. I don't know why it was messing up there. I think it's because of the changing of files, and it doesn't know where the files are supposed to go. And when you do copy this over, you do want to keep this file. You don't want to delete it, and you want to make sure that it's in the place that you want it before you change your icons, or let's see what happens. Okay. It's still there. I guess it follows it or something. Who knows? But I would definitely recommend keeping it in the place that you're going to keep it before you change the icons, just in case that it accidentally malfunctions or whatever for some odd reason because you can't find it. So basically that's that, and that's that for this video. So if you like this video, guys, leave a like, a comment, subscribe would really help. I'm trying to do more tech videos since that's really what I like to do, and I'm really big into computers and things like that. So subscribing, likes, comments would really help. You can leave a comment with feedback on what I can improve on in my videos and quality, different things I could try or whatever. It would be really appreciated. So that's that, and pretty much that's all in this video. So basically, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!